All right, next problem. We have a state trooper right here that is hidden 30 feet from a highway. So this is the highway right here. And he's 30 feet away from it. 1 second after a truck passes, the angle between the highway and the line of observation of the patrol car is theta. So this is a car. After 1 second, the car is here, and the angle of elevation between the trooper and the car after 1 second is theta. Okay, now the questions. If the angle measures 15 degrees, if theta is 15 degrees, how fast is the truck traveling? Express the answer in feet per second and in miles per hour. All right, so these things are getting more interesting. So the car is right here, and after 1 second, do you agree that it travels a certain distance, d, right? So after 1 second, it travels a certain distance, d. So we're looking at this right triangle after 1 second. So the trooper is here, the car is there, and then the angle is 15 degrees. So I have the side 30 feet, this side, which is d, which I'm interested to find, and then the angle 15. So I need to apply a trig function that involves opposite and adjacent, which is obviously tangent. So tangent of 15 degrees equals opposite, which is 30 feet, over d. So I can solve for d now. D equals 30 divided by tangent of 15 degrees. All right, so if I put this in the calculator, let's get an actual answer to here for this. So I'm gonna have 30 divided by tangent of 15 degrees. Let's round it to 112. So d equals 112 feet, okay? Because this is measured in feet, 30 feet. So 112 feet. So how fast is the truck going if it's going 112 feet in 1 second? Well, it's going 112 feet per second. So how fast is the truck going is 112 feet per second. So we basically expressed the answer in feet per second. So it's 112 feet per second. But what if we want the answer in miles per hour now? How would we do this? Well, we need to transform the feet in miles and the second in hours. So how would we do that? So now, basically 112 feet per 1 second. Well, I need to get the answer in miles per hour. So I need to multiply by 1 hour. But instead of writing 1 hour at the top, I'm going to write how many seconds are in 1 hour. So I'm going to put 3600. That's how many seconds are in 1 hour. Okay, so I did not change the problem right now. I literally just multiplied by 1. I haven't changed it. I just made the conversion. And then to take care of the feet, I need to multiply by 1 mile. 1 mile at the top, but then at the bottom, instead of putting 1 mile, I'm going to put how many feet are in a mile. And there are 5,280 feet. So why did we do this? Well, now you'll notice that the seconds and the seconds cancel, the feet and the feet cancel, and we will get the answer in miles per hour. So basically, the answer is going to be 112 times 3600 divided by 5280. This should be a 0 in here. So the answer, how we're going to get this, we're multiplying 112 times 3600, and then we are dividing by 5280. 76.36. So this is how fast this truck is going in miles per hour. Pretty fast, right? Now, what if the speed limit is 55 and a ticket is issued for speed of 5 miles per hour or more? So basically, you are getting a ticket if you're going how fast? Over 60 miles per hour, right? All right, so basically we need to find the angle. So this is 30 feet. The trooper is here. And the trooper is here, 30 feet. We need to find the angle, theta, for when the car would go 60 miles per hour. But in this case, we're working with feet, so I need to convert the 60 miles per hour in feet per second, so that I can put what's the distance right here that is traveled in 1 second. What's the distance in feet that is traveled in 1 second? So 60 miles per hour, we're doing the reverse now, 60 miles per hour. So I need to cancel out the hour. So I'm going to put 1 hour at the top. And how many seconds are in 1 hour? 3600 seconds. And then I need to cancel out the miles. So I'm going to put the miles at the top, 1 mile. And then at the bottom, and then at the top, I'm going to put 5280 feet. So if you calculate this, you'll see the hour goes away, the miles goes away, so you'll have 60 times 5280 feet over 3600 seconds. So this should give you 88 feet per second. So that means that this truck is traveling a distance of 88 feet in 1 second. Okay, so now I can find this angle theta. So I'm gonna do arctan. Tangent is gonna be arctan of opposite 30 over 88. Okay, so now let's see what's this angle. If you put it in your calculator, arctan, or use anything online, arctan 30 divided by 88. We get that theta is 18.8. So theta is 18.8 degrees. Guys, so when the angle of elevation from the trooper to the car is 18.8 degrees or less, right? Or less would mean that the car is here, then the angle of elevation would be even smaller. That means that the car is going to get a ticket. The car is going over 60 miles per hour. Because when the car is going 60 miles per hour, the angle is 18.8. So if the car is going faster, the angle is going to be smaller. So for what angles should the trooper issue a ticket? Is for angles less than, for theta less than 18.8 degrees. All right? That means that the car is going faster than 60 miles per hour.